If you're working on any kind of home project, then a laser level is a must-have. This is the LasGoo 360 laser level. It has a bunch of different features that are very useful. I recently remodeled one of our bathrooms, and this came in super handy when doing the tile work. So, like I said, it's a 360 laser level. You turn it on, so it gives you 360 coverage. You can lower the intensity of the laser itself, and with the power button you also go through, and if you only need one of the lasers you can do that, or it will give you all three of them. Obviously you can go ahead and lock it down so that the actual lines don't move. Maybe you're not looking necessarily to have a leveled line, but you just need a line that goes across the wall at 45-degree angle. You can do that as well. And then of course, if you switch it over to the other side, then it will level itself. So essentially just click on it, swipe it to the side there, and it will level itself. Now, if you tilt it where it's not getting the level, it will start blinking like that. So that's very useful. It will also turn off if you just lock it down. You don't want to be moving the laser too much if you're not using it, because then it can actually damage the laser itself. So it actually, just to show you really quick what it comes with. So right here on the bottom, you have your battery. It comes with two of those. And it comes with this great case for storage and protecting. So that's the extra battery. This right here is essentially something that you can put the laser on. So right here on the bottom, it has the connection for the tripod, but you can also connect it here like so. And it has magnets on this on the back side of it, so you can stick it to a metal pole. It also has a hole for a screw, and you can, to make fine adjustments, you can move it up and down with this swivel right here. It also brings the charging cable. So like I said, if you're doing any kind of home project, this is a must-have and a great pick.